Hello gurus and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day wherever you are in the world. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. It's still holding on right now. Hopefully we get a big bounce here and we continue up towards the 70k and we stay in the bull market. If we break this support, the support area between 41, 43k, 40k, 43k, if we break this support, the target will be first 35,000 and 30,000. And at 30,000, I would go very heavy long with a lot of alts and a lot of Bitcoin. But at the moment, I'm still short Bitcoin. My short is currently negative pretty negative at the moment. My short will liquidate at 44,000. Hopefully, I want my short to liquidate. I want Bitcoin to go past 44,000 and go towards the 70k. That means we stay in the bull run. Why would I want my own trade to liquidate? Because I'm a venture capitalist in the crypto industry. I'm invested huge money in a lot of different projects, and I don't close those projects because they're vesting over a long period of time or it's a long investment for the long term. So I really want Bitcoin to recover here and us to stay in the bull market. But on my trades, I'm currently short on Bitcoin, which I'll show you coming up. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button down there on your phone, hit the subscribe button, join my 67,000 subscribers at MCRT. Magiccraft, I'm a founder of a token, Magiccraft, a play-to-earn game. It's going to be released. It's going on MEXC exchange in 1 hour. It's going to go launching on MEXC exchange, one of the biggest exchanges in the world, in 1 hour. So pay attention to that. Let's jump into the charts for Bitcoin now. So now for Bitcoin, and we're in the total Bitcoin here. We're having a big recovery today. It's sitting at 42,700, but we're still sitting on this major trend line, this blue one here, where it's bounced off. This will be the third time. If we can get a strong bounce here off this 42,000 and head up, this will be amazing, and this means we can go towards the 70k and stay in this big bull market. However, if we break here, it will be and I'm leaning towards that we will actually break. We're in this support lines here, this kind of area of support. As you can see, we've had a lot of support and resistance between the 42k and the 39k. So this area right now is a point of super strong support and resistance. Why I think we're going to break those, we have a shoulder, head and shoulder formation that's already formed. And this is a very bearish scenario, pattern, a technical pattern that should take us to 30,000, possibly even lower. I will buy up a lot at 30k, but hopefully we don't have this and we hold on here. We've got a lot of volume coming in and we did get quite a bounce, but I wouldn't say it's a strong one. But we did get a bounce after it broke that 40k and bounced back. But it did pierce that blue trend line. I do believe we're going to break here and fall down towards the 30k though. We have volume coming in. That's a bullish scenario. The stochastic is oversold and turning to head up, but it looks like it's actually turning down at the moment again on the daily. So it looks like it's failing this run up. The squeeze mob is red. It turned gray on the daily. That's what we needed to see. That's a good indicator. It already turned gray. So we could go bullish here. There is some signs of bullishness, some signs of bearishness. The RSI, let's check out the RSI now. Money flow index, money is starting again to flow into Bitcoin here. It bottomed out down here and it's turning to head up. So money is again flowing back into Bitcoin, which is good to see. So we have some bull case scenarios. Let's check the EMA ribbons. On the EMA ribbons on the daily, we're way below the EMA ribbon. So we're still in a bear market, which a downtrend, which we entered at the 60, up here at the 69,000. Let's check the moving average. The moving average has crossed to head down. Let's now check this is a big one also. The death cross on Bitcoin is about to cross. It looks like it's going to cross within 1 or 2 days, everyone. Here should be the cross on the 13th of January. So we have less than 2 days till the cross occurs. Hopefully it doesn't. If Bitcoin can recover here, this can open back up and then we can go in the bull run. But if this death cross does occur, it is a lagging indicator, but it looks like it's going to occur. This is a point, I'll show you. This was a point when the death cross occurred before and we came down here. This was the point when a golden cross occurred here. This was when we had a golden cross, when we went from 47,000 to 67,000. And right now we're about to have a death cross occur in the next possibly 2 or 3 days. So, but hopefully again, and look, the death cross meets exactly on the pivot line. If Bitcoin can get back up above 44,000 and head up, this death cross could be averted and we could start to head up and open back up again. But it does look like it's going to occur. Let's go into the other time frames now. On the 4 hourly, so we can zoom in, what's going to happen for the next few days? RSI, we're trying to get back in the EMA ribbons. It's trying to turn bullish again here. and it's almost succeeding. We're still in EMA ribbons, but the stochastic is very overbought right now on the 4-hourly. That's not a good sign. It means it could be finished, this recovery run. Let's go into the hourly. On the hourly, we're above the EMA ribbons. It's turned and it's trying to start heading up on the hourly. Stochastic is still heading up, so for the rest of the day, we could get a run up. However, I want to show you also this. This is a trend line, and this is 1 point on the trend line, 2 points on the trend line. If we get rejected here, this down trend line is confirmed, and we will break towards the downside. So right now, it's very important for Bitcoin. If it can get back above this trend line, above 44,000, we can go bullish again. But I think we're going to get rejected here and then retest again this 39. If we break that, we go to 30K. So very important moments for Bitcoin right now. Let's check out the total market cap, but the alts are not having much of a rally, which is quite interesting. Let's check out Dogecoin to see what Dogecoin is telling us. Different charts give us different information, but they're all connected, so we can learn different things about what's happening. So Dogecoin is just bouncing again off this strong support. RSI heading up, volume dying out completely. Look at this, very little volume in Dogecoin. Dogecoin doesn't move unless Elon tweets or does something, but it looks like he's stopped kind of supporting Dogecoin lately. We're above the EMA ribbons. We're at a very pivotal moment on this descending wedge as well for Dogecoin. If we can break through here, we could get a big movement up. But it's not really telling us anything major. Let's look at the total market cap. We reclaimed $2 trillion on the total market cap of all cryptos right now, which is good. We just reclaimed it today, the $2 trillion mark for all cryptocurrencies. We came down to this S1 point at 1.84 trillion. On the daily, stochastic is oversold, turning to head up. We've got good volume, so potentially we could get a bounce here. The 4-hourly, we're also overbought. I think we're going to fail here and go head back down. A lot of people went very bullish on Bitcoin the last few hours on this bounce back. Everyone went very bullish. I think it's a bull trap, but hopefully I'm wrong. Hopefully we break through 44,000 and the bull market continues. If we break this 40K support again and head down, I think we could find lows of 29,000, and that's when I'll go heavy long at this point. I want to also show you Magiccraft. We have a Magiccraft Telegram. There's 6,900 members in Magiccraft. 944 of them are online. You can join the Magiccraft Telegram. The link is there, Magiccraft Game Chat. So you can join that. There's 1,000 people discussing MCRT. We got an article on finance, on Yahoo Finance for MCRT. MCRT is about to go live in the next 44 minutes. It's going live for MCRT on MEXC exchange, one of the biggest exchanges. In the last 24 hours, Magiccraft is up around, 9% in the last, or 14% in the last 24 hours, which is beautiful. It's ranked 2,950. It's up 11% on Bitcoin, up 14% in general. The market cap is just under $12 million and volume of 4.4 million. Volume really starting to climb on Magiccraft. And it's still up almost more than 600% since we IDO'd, which is beautiful. And we're about to list on MEXC. The trading will start trading in 44 minutes. So keep that in mind. You can also buy it on PancakeSwap. It's got $4 million, $400,000 on Bitmarter volume. So there's a lot of volume happening for Magiccraft. We've got some cool things. We've got this NFT designer will be joining the project to make some NFT which will be used in game and in the in NFT marketplace and in game. This is a NFT designer's design preview of some of the NFTs that are being created. This will also be one of the mage characters. MEXC is listing at 12 p.m. January 12th UTC, so in less than 44 minutes, Magiccraft will be listing. There was also the staking got filled up on MEXC in a few minutes. It got filled up. So a lot of people are very bullish for Magiccraft, which is beautiful. So that's what I think is going to happen to Bitcoin. Hopefully we get this bounce and we start heading up. My trades will liquidate at 44,000. If you want to trade, I do recommend using this link down below. If you sign up to Bybit, the link is down below. You get a sign-up bonus of 4,100 USD when you sign up and start using Bybit. The links are underneath this video in the description and the pinned comment. So thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button down there. Smash up the thumbs up button. You're an amazing, amazing community. I'm also getting trademark attacked by a company in America. They actually, this channel's existed for more than a year and a half. They registered a trademark last year, around 9 months ago. The trademark is not completed yet, and they're using this uncompleted trademark to try and take down a lot of my channels and things like this. I've activated a big law firm in New York, and I'm gonna fucking destroy them. Before I used to kind of not really get involved when people attack me or something like this, but I've had enough of this. The big companies taking down my channels, taking down social networks, scammers scamming my audience and scamming me. I'm going to go heavy with big law firms and just take out anyone that's trying to fuck with me or my audience anymore. What I've learned is be aggressive. Get the best law firms in the world. Go after people that attack you. You're not attacking them if they attack you first. You're just defending yourself. Keep that in mind. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Stockroom, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.